Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. Okay, this is a follow-up video to the glue experiment that we did where that record was cleaned so good by using the wood glue. This is that same record, and based on a lot of people requesting this, I'm putting up another video. This one is just a play test to see before and after how much of a difference the glue cleaning makes in terms of, what you hear. So I'm using my Vibe record player, this is a USB turntable archiver, but it also has a set of built-in speakers with an excellent high-end audio response that'll give us a lot of that high-end crackle and whatnot, and I think that will demonstrate the difference pretty well. So yeah, let's give it a listen. I have not heard this yet. We're going to do this together live. Maybe there won't be a difference. I think there will be because this is the before. So this is the other side, the side I didn't do the cleaning on. It's just a filthy record. And a lot of it is just, dust and stuff, but a lot of it is, deep, groove, grime and stuff. Here's the side we cleaned with the glue. Obviously much better. I'm not going to lie, I did give this another brushing because it became charged with static and attracted some more surface dust. But I did not do another glue treatment on it. I just gave it a wet wipe down and another dry wipe down. So essentially this is still clean from the glue. And then this is the side that I didn't treat. So this will be a quick video. I'm not going to play any entire song, but let's go ahead and listen to the before. This is without the cleaning. So obviously, and I know you guys are probably cringing for my poor stylus there, but don't worry, I've got replacements. I'll take one for the team. So you can hear that as the stains come around, obviously major static and noise. So let's go to a place where there isn't a ridiculous stain, but more of just like a true representation of the record. So some crackle there. Not too terribly bad, but it's definitely dirty. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and lift the stylus off, replace the record onto the clean side. Let's see if I can find my record brush. It would be a good idea probably to clean the stylus a little bit, at least give it yeah. So there's a quick how-to here. So if you ever want to clean your needle / stylus, you can take a dry cloth like this and brush it towards you. The same record that the same direction, excuse me, that the record travels. Just lightly, not much pressure at all, just to get any surface junk off of there. And we'll go ahead and listen now. This is the same record, but cleaned with the gluing process. Okay, there's still some crackle in there. I mean, it's a record, so it's going to do that to some degree, but definitely a major improvement over those big stains that the stylus would have to drag through. So we're not getting any of those big, sort of staticky sound blotches. So it definitely makes, I mean, obviously it's going to make a difference. Here, let's listen to a little bit more. Okay, so yeah, obviously that makes a big difference. I mean, you're taking that much, dirt and grime and dust and mold or whatever off of the recording or playback surface. You're going to see and experience, and obviously hear a difference. You get down to really the quality of what the record itself is. This particular one is in pretty decent shape. You can tell that it's got a pretty unmarred playing surface when you get right down to it underneath all of the dirt. There's still a little bit of a crackle and pops there, but even records right out of the packaging, brand spanking new, will do that to some degree. So again, I'm satisfied that this is a good way to clean your records. You know, it's messy, it's slow, you have to be patient. There'll be little smudges and things that you have to clean up even after you've done the process, but boy does it suck the grime out of the groove like nothing else, I'll tell you what. And it got me thinking, remember that vacuum form mold that pulls off of there? Wouldn't it be cool if you could somehow use that to create a negative impression and mold against that to make another record? That's an experiment that I'm toying with in my mind, how to do that with wax or glue or something. And I actually tried putting glue on glue to try and make a form off of those, but they bonded too tight to separate them. Anyway, that's for a future video down the road, just fun, junky stuff to play around with. Somebody commented, and I believe this is probably true. Remember, I didn't do any research prior to doing that video. Somebody commented that the right way to do it is to actually put the glue on really, really thin, and then use like a business card or something to kind of squeegee it off so it's completely thin, and then obviously it dries a lot faster too. So that's probably the right way to do it compared to dumping an entire bottle on like I did it, but what the heck. It was fun anyway, an interesting experiment. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Really appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I would really appreciate that. Thanks for watching as usual. Happy record hunting, and we'll see you next time.